Welcome to Coffee Grounds at Wallitsch Garden Center with none other than Jeff Wallitsch. So many people are talking about peaches these days. I've seen it all over my social media.
Yeah, it's like, what do you do with all these peaches?
What
I have so many
do you
peaches.
do?
What to do with them all?
You've got some great recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and
In the bar, of course.
Start us off with breakfast.
All right, so the first thing that I have is an easy peach and yogurt smoothie. So basically you're gonna take your fresh peaches or frozen peaches, you're gonna add some either your flavored yogurt to it, any type of milk or almond milk that you wanna put in here, put it in your blender, whack it a few times, and then you have this beautiful fruit smoothie that you can take to your home office.
Perfect. I love the garnish
Love
that
the
with
base.
some herbs.
Yep.
Moving on to lunch. What do you call this? A sweet and savory?
Sweet and savory kind of salad. It is
Make
a...
things sound so exotic,
It
Jeff.
is,
Right.
but it's super easy and it's like three ingredients here. So you got fresh peaches, red onions, those little fun mozzarella balls, salt,
Yes.
pepper, olive oil. And then again, we're incorporating those herbs and things that we have in the garden. So some fresh parsley or mint in there. If you want to add some grilled chicken to it, you can also do that as well.
Love that idea. Also love this idea for dinner. Going out to the grill, get out of the kitchen.
Yeah, get out of the kitchen, go outside, it's hot, you know, we're sweating already. This is a peach, tomato, and goat cheese flatbread. And I always cheat and I always buy my flatbread or the naan bread or any of the pizza dough that's already done. Doesn't take much time, you can throw that on the grill. Salt, pepper, olive oil, it's a great dinner and even, you know, for
Nice
the
a
next
little
day.
appetizer too. Alrighty, now to the bar. Bar ideas with peaches.
So I have two drinks. I have a peach margarita on the rocks.
That's great.
So it's basically just peach juice, tequila, and then throw in some of those fresh herbs in there, and then a twist on an old fashioned. This is a peach old fashioned, so it's just peach juice. I have some bourbon, of course, because it's Kentucky, and then also some orange bitters in there as well.
Love it. For all these recipes, just head to wallitch.net.